All right, people, what is up? How you guys doing? We're working on this 2002 Toyota Camry, and we're going to be changing this alternator. This is probably one of the easiest alternators you'll ever change in your life. You don't have to remove anything other than the belt. That's it. So let's get straight to it. All right, so first thing first, what you need to do is unhook the negative cable, which is full of corrosion. And then take this out. You can disconnect this if you want. Disconnecting. Hi. How you doing? I just got started on it because the car was unlocked. All right, so just took this out. Gotta take that out. There is a little clip right here. If you press over here, there you go. All right, that gets out of the way right there. And now we have to remove the tension off the belt. There's a 19mm right here. Do not use a 12 point, okay? Okay, so I have a, let's see. All right, so I have a nano socket right here. It's a 19mm 6 point and a ratchet, and we're gonna be ratcheting clockwise toward the front of the car. Now, if it's too dark for you over here, which I know it is, I will show you after I remove the tension, but you want to go really slowly. Those are hydraulic tensioners. And I hate them a lot. Okay, there we go. Tension's off, and if you want to be smart about it, you would just leave the belt right here, and you would leave this ratchet right there. As you guys can see, the belt is still on all the rails. And the only thing that you have to do right now is unbolt this 14 and this 12 down there. So let's get to doing that. Not supposed to be putting way too much torque on this, but let's see. Okay. Okay, battery's dying, but who cares? All right, so this is the top 14, and then, all right, so I'm gonna put a 12mm on the lower side of the alternator. I'll put my finger, it's literally this one right here, right there. So let's see. This is a 12mm, as I said. Oops. You can just put this on the side. Alright, the bolt is right there. Let's see if we can do it with this. Those brake lines? No, they're not. Power steering. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I'm just unbolting the lower 12mm bolt with my hand. Seems to be a bit longer than usual. Okay, same length. All right, so we're gonna get something like this. Just gonna pry the alternator out of here. Moula, or if you say in French, voila. Here we go. Alternator is messed up, so let's get the new one back in. Before before we get the new one back in, we need to transfer this bracket and this bracket. So let's get to doing that. Alright, so we're gonna take this bracket, I'm gonna install it right here. You don't really need those, especially, well, maybe you need that. Alright, so I have a 8mm super low profile and thin wall. Well, not the thinnest, but it's in a 1/4 inch form. So let's do. There we go. It's a nut, actually. Alright. And it actually comes right here, so that means I don't need to use the old one. I'll just put the thing right here. And that is it, seniors and senoritas. Just kidding. It's more than enough for 8mm. So let's put this thing back. You can clean the area if you want, but I don't really care. Area is messed up anyway. She needs a valve cover gasket job very badly. Okay, so this fits in right there. Now pay attention. The first bolt that goes in is not the last bolt you remove. In this situation, the first bolt goes in because it's the pivot bolt. Damn it, where is it? It's right there. Barely screw it in. And then you're gonna put the lower bolt. That's gonna have to be on you to figure out exactly where it goes. You just gotta have to wiggle it just a little by little. Boom, found it. Okay, it went in place. Alright. Let's get this, see how much juice we still have. We have a lot. That's good. Okay, don't tie any more than that yet. Grab your 12 and your small ratchet right here. Then we're gonna go in easy, actually really easy on it. I don't think I even need an extension. Okay, just to make sure it went in the threads correctly, and it sure did. Now we can use something like this to drive it in there. Man, having an electric ratchet helps. Oh my god, it's amazing. Alright. Alright, so something like this is not strong enough to torque up or tie in a 14mm, but it sure is for a 12. So I'll just use it to snug it in as much as I can. I'll tie in a 12 with it. It just keeps tiny. Okay, that's good enough. I have a feeling I stretched the fuck out that bolt, but who cares? Alright, so let's put this back. This back. Let's put this right here. Oh, it broke. What a piece of shit. Alright, that's fine. Okay. What? Where's the, oh. I was like, where's the positive? Where's the hot wire? No. It goes in like this. There are two nuts on it. Who cares? Cool, great. Okay, this is in, that's in, that's good, that's good. Doesn't pull out, this is good. All right, so there's still no tension on the belt, so let's put this new alternator. Oh, fuck. Wonderful. Okay, belt is back. It's a little bit misplaced on the rear rail, but who cares? It'll stabilize, or it will go back in place once you turn it on. Let's put this back, obviously. That is it. But I did tell you that I'm gonna, I don't know what I dropped. I did tell you that I'm gonna tighten the top bolt a little bit better, so let's do that. And sadly, the freaking belt's in the way, but that's fine, I'll bend the belt. That's good enough. All right, we're good to go. Just put this back. Oops. Customer was stating that there was a battery light on and I was just stuttering and wanted to die. So let's hope there's enough juice in it to start it, at least. Just make sure this is not cracked. This is good, because I remember leaning on it. Oh, that's why. Okay. Yeah, no, nothing happened. Good. All right, let's go ahead and start the car. Okay, I don't know why the speedometer is stuck right there. Oh, right there. Okay, cool. Battery light's not on no more. Cool. That is it. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's put this lady's stuff over here. I don't know why I took it out. There you go. All right, we are done. If you have any questions, please leave me. Please leave them in the comments so I can answer them. I try to answer everything. But other than that, see you later.